Welcome to today's lesson. Today I'll be showing you how to reset all the tools in your AutoCAD software. You may have made a mistake. Maybe you may have deleted a toolbar. Like for example, let's delete this one or let's hide it. This is the draw toolbar. Let's right click here and hide the draw toolbar. Yes, toolbar. Then to bring it back or to reset the software, we click on the application menu. Then you click on options. Then you click on reset. You are resetting the profile. Do you want to continue? Yes. Then you click on OK. This is the AutoCAD Classic, so it has reset us back to the AutoCAD, to the 2D drawing, drafting and annotation way. So the one we're using before is the AutoCAD Classic. So we switch back to AutoCAD Classic. You see, everything is back to normal. Our draw toolbar is back. Even this toolbar. The smooth mesh toolbar. Now here you can switch to different orientations. This is a 2D drafting annotation, 3D modeling, AutoCAD Classic, initial setup workspace, and other options.